Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I am going to say you why Microsoft has introduced the new flow, onboarding flow to managing Android enterprise devices with Intune. As you can see here in this article, right? So earlier what we are doing, right, if during the first setup of the Microsoft Intune tenant, if you have a plan to if you were planning to manage the Windows device, Android devices, you have to link your tenant to the Google Play Store, right? So that it will connect to Google services, and your users will able to enroll the devices and Android devices through Android Enterprise. So if you remember, I have made video. So while integrating this one, you need a Google account, right? It should be @gmail.com. Then only link. Then only you can link your Microsoft Intune tenant with the Google services, right? so what they are changing, so now you don't need the Google account, right? So earlier some people are using personal Gmail account instead of the company or the generic Gmail account. Now they completely remove the Gmail account. So these are this is only for the prerequisites, right? So before managing Android enterprise devices, this is one of the prerequisites to manage the Android enterprise, right? So it is actually only the first time and one time onboarding process which will require admins to create and manage the Gmail account. So starting from August 2024, this process will no longer require Gmail account. So what does mean this one? So you don't need a Gmail account. It is no longer needed Gmail account. Instead of that, the admin will able to use their existing intra ID credential to complete this one-time onboarding, which is it's good, so that the company will have the control, some level of control to manage the Android devices, because the Gmail account is not safe like the intra ID credentials, right? So you may be wondering, if you are already using the Gmail account, what will happen? Because so for the new tenants, if you have a plan to onboard the Android enterprise devices starting from August 2024, we are already in August, so you can use the existing Microsoft intra ID credentials from your company. So you see what is the streamlined flow for the new tenant? The tenant connecting or reconnecting with your Microsoft Intune, you can now use your intra ID credential to complete onboarding process. So what you have to do, as soon as you click here, right, manage Google Play Store, or you can go to the tenant administrations, right, because it's a one time, or similar, like you go to the Android, or you go to the enroll and connect to link your manage Google Play account to Intune. So if you click on that, it will go to the Google sites. It will say create a admin account, and we recommend continuing with the pre-fill identity and sign in with the Microsoft options that will allow. So you'll see like this one, look like my email address is being managed by Microsoft. So you can sign in with Microsoft, and then this process will verify it. You can allow and create manage your Android enterprise devices using Microsoft Intune. You will see like this one, and you can allow it so that your manage your Android enterprise devices using Microsoft Intune. So once the account is created, you will need to allow the Intune to manage the devices for a second time. So at this point, the steps to connect to Microsoft Intune, to Google is complete, you can enroll, right? It's just a very simple steps. Within 30 seconds you can complete it. The only difference is this streamline the process is, instead of using a Google account, you can use Microsoft Intra, and here you'll get the options to sign in with the Microsoft and this will get completed. If you are wondering, if you are already using the customers like Microsoft Intune who are already onboarded using Gmail account, there is no changes are required. You will continue to be supported. And if you decide to disconnect your Android Enterprise administrative account and reconnect with Intra ID, you will now have options of using this new flow. But the important thing is, like, if you want to disconnect, and nobody want to disconnect, right? They want seamless experience. So if you disconnect your enterprise account, if you have onboarded using Gmail account, this will remove all your managed Google Play apps and all managed Android enterprise devices from your tenant. All managed Android enterprise devices. So this is actually very important and critical things to remember. So don't disconnect, I would recommend. Otherwise you will be in trouble. All applications and devices will removed from your tenant. So for that, don't do anything for now. No changes are required. They are working, Microsoft is working with the Google to finalize the process from your Gmail account to the Microsoft credential in a way that won't interrupt how these devices are managed. And we expect this migration process to be defined in Q1 2025, right? And they will share more information on this, how we're gonna migrate from current Intune tenant to new onboarding flow with the Entra ID. So what is this new Google account? So you may be noticed the onboarding flow creates a Google account using your corporate email address. Admin can use their Intra ID credential to log in and manage the connection between Google and Intune, as well as the other Google features, like, right? So you can refer this article for more informations, and don't do anything for now. But I can say, don't do for any now. If you are a new tenant, have a plan to use the new tenant, you can use now with the Entra ID credentials. This will integrate. So for the existing tenant, don't do anything now, just till wait for Q1 2025. Till then, thank you, have a good day.